I'm fit to live. Set into that great void, my soul be written in the bluest star. Winning off to the cops, not good, falling behind. Helping from the club tip top. His mama stood up and shouted, "Judge, don't take my boy this way."
Yeah, maybe we should hit a 9-iron. No, we're gonna hit a smooth egg.
Out of kindness, I suppose. Lefty, he can't sing.
Not a terrible bogey. We stayed out of bunkers, we made a smart chip, we almost got up and down. That was a pretty decent drive. That went 190 yards. I think we have to advance this as far as possible. It's 190 to the bunker. I'm gonna hit 3-wood. Driver's coming up 30, 40 yards short. I believe 3-wood should as well. That's a wonderful shot, dead straight. No wind, I think that probably is on next time. Really good. Just moved more than I thought, putted it as I wanted. It's so hard to aim outside the hole from 3 feet when your feet don't tell you there's a lot of movement. I said there was some, but feet really said nothing. Grain had a little left to right. Alright, let it go. On to the next shot.
Tell me now, baby, is it good to you? And can he do to you the things that I do?
Too much. I do wish the chip gave me a better chance. Right to left lie. Had a big wind off the right. Pin is sort of cut middle right. So I don't want to aim right edge of the green. I depend on all those factors to bring it back. So I aimed sort of at the pin. And sure enough, it got pushed left of the pin.